Welcome back to Bryner Tech. Today we are doing a first look and a quick unboxing of the new Samsung battery pack. If you are interested in this battery pack, I will have links up in the description. Price on this is $50. If you look closely, you can see that it's up to 25 watts super fast charging, which is very good, especially for a battery pack or a power bank. It has 20,000 milliamp hours, which is a very high capacity, and it has 3 ports. You get 2 USB-C and a full USB-A port, as well as power delivery. Opening up the box, we are greeted with the power bank itself, a USB-C to USB-C cable, as well as the quick start and safety guide. Upon close look of the cable, it's a pretty nice cable but very short, and it's flat on both ends. Now taking a look at the power bank itself, we have a button up top which seems to show the battery percentage, the 2 USB-Cs as I mentioned before, and the USB-A full size. Upon looking at this, there's only just some writing on the bottom. It's quite heavy actually, quite premium feeling too, all metal all around. First impressions seems pretty good. We'll have to test the charging speeds to see how accurate they are. I do believe that both ports are 25 watt super fast charging, but I will have to do some further testing. But ultimately, this is just a quick unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like it, subscribe for more videos just like this one, and hit me up in the comments of your favorite power bank, or if you're excited for the new Galaxy S22 series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.